Stop stressing out about heat damage and mechanical damage. It's not that hard to fix. Before we get started fixing anything, be sure to go ahead and subscribe here to my channel and then click on that bell notification so you're notified every time I post another video, and then smash that thumbs up button because it's free 99 and it made me feel fine. Now, you will notice so many different lengths in her hair. Her hair is an example of a mixture of chemical damage and mechanical damage all wrapped into one because she does the majority of wash and goes, and you can see she has chemically treated hair and she does weaves and stuff and what we would consider protective styling. But in reality, all of our protective styling, the number one thing that they do is cause our hair strands to weaken, and as they weaken, of course, they break. And this is why most naturals have the same lines of demarcation and why most of us cannot retain length. This is most important, but I really wanted to share something with you guys. Currently, I am not doing one-on-one coaching, but I decided to start a challenge. Now, this was something that I kind of did behind the scenes just for the subscribers the subscribers to my website, but I decided to open it to everyone because our last 7-day challenge went so good. Here on the screen, you will see a couple testimonials, and we'll dive deep into a couple of those testimonials in a second because we got real results and real receipts here, okay, just in 7 days. So if you want to get some real results, I really want you to click that link in the description box below and join my free group. It is so free. You just download the Wix app and then follow the directions on the screen. But let's get a little deeper into this. If you're an OG here on my channel, you already remember me telling you all about skin cell turnover, but I want to show you something. If you join my free group, I can get you together. Let's listen to this. Sin, I finally see my skin cell turnover beginning. It just started today. I see flakes. I've never seen this before. I am on day 6 of the challenge and resting my hair today and tomorrow. I will brush my scalp on day 8 before I wash it. My skin cell turnover week starts on the 13th. Yes, and I do have a round bristle brush. Do I use my scalp scrub here or should I wait to detox? Listen, y'all don't need to know the rest of the questions because if you want to know what I said to answer her, then you gotta join. But listen to her update though. Hi San, I can't believe I made it to day 7. No extra stuff in my hair, no moisturizing daily, no spritzer, nor oil in my hair daily like I was doing for years. No oily pillows and having to put a towel on my pillow because my hair was wet after washing it and going to bed with wet and oily head. It feels so strange, but I know what I'm doing now is the right thing to do. I feel free. Yes, I know my hair and my scalp thanks me. Laugh out loud. So excited about my new hair journey. Listen, I want every last one of you to feel what she is feeling. She is not the only one within my group that is feeling this way. You guys, it is so very simple. The reason why you see all of these people cutting all of their hair off and constantly going through these same cycles of big chop after big chop after big chop is because we are not paying attention to our body and the science of our body. But if you pay attention to the science of your body, you will grow long hair. And I'm telling you, the people just alone in my free group are seeing results. And then if you want to get real G with it, then you can get into my paid group where I go even deeper. If you think that I go deep on YouTube, just wait until you get over there, okay? So I really want you to take advantage of it. Remember, it's free 99. Either way, we're gonna be feeling fine. I really want you to look at this next video, and I also want you to notice the same exact line of demarcation, that same spranger spot, I cannot get that word out, in the back of her head. When you see a lot of stylists doing bobs, it's not because we love doing bobs so much. It's because most naturals have that same peak at the top, and the only haircut that we can do and not shave our clients' hair off is a bob. So if you guys are tired of seeing bobs, my loves, stop doing the same things to get the same types of breakage. Don't be mad at me. Listen to this music, girl. Baby, it's you.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. Whatever, and I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. If I control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine you can't change, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day. So I never saw your face. Please, what do I have to do to make you go? Oh, baby, it's you. It's you. It's you. It's you. an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. Old school girl, old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, oh. Bonnie and Clyde. You can have whatever you like when it's you and I. We can have the world. See us coming like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Can we get comfortable? I don't really like going out. It makes me uncomfortable, yeah. We could be chilling on the sofa or cooking in the kitchen like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? When you're touching my body, go. When you're touching my body, go. I want it, yeah, I need it, and I'm on it, I'm on it. Are you the same? 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 Oh yeah, this could all be over. We're not okay. Shattered glass everywhere. Tears of rage. Waiting for the rain to stop and take my pain away. Why'd you have to be that mean? Why'd you do me that way? We should know that we won't be any better. Can't you see that we are drifting apart? I am through trying to hold us together. I just want it to stop, want it to stop. Smoke spirals off your cigarette. Door slammed to figure silhouettes. Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Baby, I surrender. I can't take it anymore. I don't want to remember. Just wanna let it all go. Waiting for a new day when I won't feel no pain. You will have to let me go so I can be myself again. We should know that we won't be any better now. Can't you see that we trying to hold us together. I just want it to stop, want it to stop. No. Smoke spirals off your cigarette. Door slam to figure silhouette. Come on, say, is this over? Oh, is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Be over now. Is this over now? Now is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Say, is this over? Hey, say, is this over? Is it over? Can this be over now? Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? War is a four-letter word. Trust yourself and you get hurt. Did you get struck by lightning? Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it, yeah. Gravity at its limit, at its limit. Do you feel it? Like down, down, down. I lost the game that I couldn't play. The memory card it got erased. Well, I'm not plugged in anyway, yeah, 'cause it's a mess.